What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and thank you for tuning in. In this video, we're going to be talking about the oil catch can we did install on the CLK 500. I believe we installed this probably about a couple of videos ago, maybe 2 months ago, and I just want to do a quick review on how the oil catch can is working and what we have caught in the oil catch can. So you guys stay tuned for this. I am actually curious to what's actually in there. I've checked it from time to time, but I just want to show you guys what really we've caught in there. So let me go ahead and pop the hood real quick and I'll show you guys. I do want to update a few things on here, especially the brake caliper. I definitely want to restore that. I know we had orange going on, and I just want to give it a newer look since we did the side skirts and the front lip, but this thing looks insane. But separate video. But let's go ahead and check out this oil catch can real quick. A few update on the oil catch can. I did have a silver version of this, and I changed it to a black catch can because I just thought it looks a lot better and blends in a lot better. Gives it that stealth mode. I've got my lines routed through here and into the valve covers. There is a section you can open right here, and there is a dipstick right here. You can see a little bit of some oil, but the can isn't full yet. So let me go ahead and open it here real quick. But this is what we have in here. That's actually not bad for the amount of oil that went in. But pretty much what I want to say is this is what will be going into your intake manifold, which is this guy, and recirculating back into the valve stems and the piston heads. This is preventing carbon and fuel vapor mixture and oil from coating your intake manifold and valve stems and your piston heads. But this is actually doing a really good job, and I'm impressed with this. I don't have anything to really dump it on to show you guys how the oil looks like. Maybe I might have something. Let me check real quick. Alright, this is what I had in the car. We'll pour a little sample on here just to show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's really dark. This oil isn't old. I think I've got about maybe 2,000 miles on it. But again, this is also a mixture of fuel vapors and oil straight up from the engine. And with this, definitely do not dump it down into the engine, because this is not proper oil. So yeah guys, that's about it on the oil catch can. Again, if you guys are looking to actually install this on your Mercedes, especially the M113 and the M112, and I guess you can also do it on other engines similar to the 272 and 273. Those will really actually benefit from an oil catch can. But if you guys definitely have modded your car, you drive it pretty hard, and you want to keep it in really good condition, you want to keep that power going and not lose any, definitely an oil catch can. I can't stress it, but this is a great device to have in your car. I know you guys are probably looking at that. I told you guys, I know a lot of you have hit me up about the filter on there. That's just temporary. That's just for testing. That will be changing soon. I've got an air filter I will be installing on here, so stay tuned for that, so you guys aren't worried about the filter I have on the CLK. And trust me, that thing actually works really good in the winter, but this is just for testing purposes, so I just had it here temporary for now. But I will be getting a new air filter on here, and you guys are gonna love it, so stay tuned for that. This is pretty much it for the video, guys. It's stupid hot out here and I'm sweating like crazy, but I just wanted to do a quick review on this oil catch can and what we've caught so far. If you guys really want to learn more about the oil catch can, definitely check out my video on when I installed it. I also show how to install it on your Mercedes as well, so definitely check that out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.